Hello guys, it's Andy here. So further on from the last video I done showing you how to install your backgrounds on my computer, I says to you I do a wee video showing you how to do it on an Android device. So I'm just going to screen record my phone and show you how to set the path to your background images. I've had to install an app called File Manager HD. You get it from the Play Store. But once you go into that, go to your device, you're going down to Android, into data, and you're scrolling down looking for org xbmc Kodi. Right, so let me find that. There it's there. No, it's not. Yep, org.xbmc.kodi. Okay, select that, go into files, go into .kodi, and there you've got the user data folder at the bottom. Okay, and as you can see, there's the background folder there, and it's got all the backgrounds in it. Okay, so that's where you would put your backgrounds. Once you've downloaded them onto your device, copy them from where your download folder and put them into this background folder, then set the path as I done on the video. Okay, cheers, bye.